Right then, next 1994 question. Which of the following can be measured in joules? So if you are going to measure something in joules, that physical quantity should be energy. Okay, work done by a force. So work is energy, type of energy. So it is energy, so measured in joules. Then next one, gravitational potential energy. Obviously it is energy, so measured in joules. Then if you think about moment of a force, it is not energy, right? It is moment of a force. So the answer is obviously A and B only, the second one. But to further clarify this, moment of a force, I'll just explain that. So if you have a force here, let's say F, and let's say we need to calculate the moment around A. So this is distance. So the moment around A is just force times distance. So if you remember the equation for work also has the same equation, force times displacement. This one measured in, this is Newton, let's say this measured in meters. It has units Newton meters, but this Newton meter is not equal to joule. It is not equal to joule because this x is defined as normal perpendicular distance to the force. If you remember the equation for work, this is force, this distance should be parallel to the force. F times x, both equations are the same, but this distance is parallel distance to the force. Parallel distance to the force. Here perpendicular distance, so it is a perpendicular distance. Here parallel distance. So x is defined in two different ways. Even though we write Newton meter here and Newton meter here, since moment is not energy and it's x defined differently, this Newton meter we cannot say that it is equal to joule, but we can use Newton meter for both. But for this one we cannot use joules. That's the point of this MCQ, right? So the answer is second one for that question.